Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install a ClipperCreek EV charger using USA wiring codes, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by gathering all necessary tools and materials. Ensure you have the ClipperCreek EV charger, appropriate wiring, circuit breakers, and mounting hardware. Check your local building codes and regulations to ensure compliance. Identify a suitable location for the charger installation, ideally near your parking area. Turn off the main power supply to your electric panel to ensure safety. Locate the circuit breaker panel and determine the load capacity. Select the appropriate circuit breaker for the EV charger based on its amperage requirements. Install the circuit breaker into the panel if it's not already in place. Run the electrical conduit from the panel to the installation location of the EV charger. This conduit should be rated for outdoor use if the installation is outside. Pull the necessary wires through the conduit. Typically, you will need a combination of hot, neutral, and ground wires. Connect the hot wire to the circuit breaker in the electrical panel. Connect the neutral wire to the neutral bus bar in the panel. Attach the ground wire to the ground bus bar. At the charger installation site, mount the ClipperCreek EV charger securely to the wall. Follow the manufacturer's guidelines for mounting height and spacing. Make the necessary connections at the charger. Connect the hot wire to the appropriate terminal on the charger. Connect the neutral wire to the charger's designated neutral terminal. Attach the ground wire to the charger's ground terminal. Carefully ensure all connections are secure and according to the installation manual. Before turning the power back on, double-check all connections. Replace the cover on the electrical panel. Restore power and turn on the circuit breaker you installed. Test the EV charger by plugging in your electric vehicle. Monitor the charger for proper operation to ensure everything is functioning correctly. Familiarize yourself with any indicator lights or signals on the charger for troubleshooting. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.